The values in your spreadsheet are numbers. For example, we have a case here of numbers in columns E, F, and H. Then you can perform a number filter. For example, I'm going to turn on my filter just by pressing the filter button or by pressing Ctrl+Shift+L. Once I've turned on the filter, I can then go to a column that contains numbers, such as target in column F. If I click the drop down, I'm able to tick and untick options that I want, but what I'm more interested in are number filters. Number filters include equals, does not equal, greater than, less than, between, etc. If I'm after, for example, all those records that have target values greater than equal to 1500 and less than equal to 2500, I might head for custom filter. It's in here that I can change equals to greater than or equal to. I want to show rows where the target values are greater than or equal to 1500. And I accept the AND operator in the middle and change this drop down to less than or equal to. And in the last field, I'll type 2500. So in summary, I'm looking to show rows where the target value is greater than or equal to 1500 and is less than or equal to 2500. And I'll click OK. Immediately my row numbering goes blue, which implies there's a filter applied. This also indicates that I'm getting a filter from this particular drop down that says that the target value is greater than or equal to 1500 and less than or equal to 2500. And when I look down here, 72 out of 270 records were found. I can easily clear my number filter by hitting the target drop down and choosing clear filter from target. And I can turn off my filter by clicking my filter button, or I could press Ctrl+Shift+L.